To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.
Hi, Detective. I was pretending to be a jellyfish. Do you want to pretend with me? I'm a jellyfish floating in the sea. That was a lot of fun. We have a fun adventure. And guess what? It has to do with going under the sea and finding a jellyfish. Do you think you can help me? Okay, let's put on our snorkeling gear. Put your goggles on. Get your snorkel in your mouth. Get your arms ready to swim. All right, we're gonna swim down to the bottom of the ocean. Ready, set, go. Swim faster and faster and faster. Faster, faster, faster. I see the jellyfish and I see Sound Monster. Keep swimming, swimming. Stop. Let's call for Sound Monster. Sound Monster, Sound Monster. There you are, Sound Monster. What are you doing down here? I had to find the jellyfish because the jellyfish said that the clue has to do with jam. Really? Yes, and he said that every time we hear the j sound, we're gonna rub our bellies because jam is yummy. Okay, I think we can do that. All right, do you remember our job? Every time we hear the j sound, I'm gonna rub my belly because jam is yummy. Ready? Jerry, the jellyfish, joined a jam juggling contest. He had to juggle jam, jelly beans, jars, and jumbo jets. What? That's a silly jellyfish. Let's see if I can find... I found the jam! I wonder what letter he has. He has the letter J. The name of this letter is J. What's the name of this letter? J. What's the name of this letter? J. What's the name of this letter? J. J says J. Can you say J? J. Ooh, what are my lips doing? J. Ooh, they're kind of doing that puckering thing, but they're staying open. J. What are my teeth doing? J. They're kind of sticking together. J. What's my tongue doing? J. J. Ooh, it kind of pushes at the top of my mouth and then goes back down at the end. J. J. What's my voice box doing? J. J. Ooh, it's vibrating. That means it's using my voice. I wonder if it can go on forever. J. J. You're right, it doesn't. It stops. J, 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 j. I can't go on forever. Let's do my action so that we can do it in my song. It goes like this. J, jam, j. And I rub my belly. Do it again. J, jam, j. Can you do it by yourself? Let's try. You got it. Let's do it together. J, jam, j.
Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, A, apple, a, a. T, table, t, t, t. S, snake, s, s, s. P, pig, p, p, p. N, nut, n. I, itch, I. C, cat, k, k, k. F, fence, f, f. D, dog, d, d, d. H, hat, h, h, h. O, octopus, ah, ah, ah. R, rat, er. B, bat, b, b, b. L, game, g, g, g. W, wind, w, w, w. V, van, v, v, v. U, up, J, jam, j, j, j.
Awesome work. Now this letter is uppercase J. What's this letter? Uppercase J. Now this letter is not a short bear. He's a hungry bear. That means he's gonna go down to get the worms. This is lowercase j. What's this letter? Lowercase j. What's this one? Uppercase j. What's this one? Lowercase j. Do you think you can sort these with me? Uppercase J, J. 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 Lowercase 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 j, J. Do you guys remember my song for writing our letters? You do? Let's sing it. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, practice makes it better. When I write a letter, start at the top. We're going to practice writing uppercase J and lowercase j. Uppercase J is going to start at the top. We're going to start on the skyline. Go across the skyline. Go to the middle of your line. Go down to the grass line and go back up to give it a hook. All right, let's try uppercase J one more time. Start at the skyline. Go across the skyline. Pick up my pencil. Go to the middle of the line. Down to the grass line and give it a kick. We're gonna do lowercase j. Lowercase j is a hungry bear, so he's going to go and get the worm. We're gonna start on the mountain line. Start on the mountain line, go down to the worm line, give it a hook, then pick up my pencil and give it a little dot. Let's do it one more time. Start at the mountain line, down to the worm line, give it a hook, pick up my pencil, and give it a little dot. I am going to tell you a word and I want you to tap the sounds. Can you say jam? Tap the sounds. Did you say j-a-m? Say jig. Tap the sounds. Did you say j-e-g? Now I'm going to tell you some sounds and I want you to tell me the word. J-a-g. Did you say jug? J-a-g. Did you say jog? You have learned all about the letter J. Can you do this page on your own? We just finished talking about the letter J. If you have finished the page on your own or with an adult and you are ready to move on, you can color in the letter J on your map. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.